Rick, stop calling people the N-word. Hey folks, we're over here at Blue Knob today, and Rick as usual is being super racist. So let's get out here and make some turns. Also, if you want to make a bunch of old dudes feel good about themselves a little bit, chuck us a subscribe, you know? Just help us out, put a smile on our face. Every time you subscribe, one beard hair of Rick's does not turn gray.
That's a lie.
That's a good one.
Kurt and Chris, what's up? Father-son duo, first season snowboarders as well.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
What do you guys think of Blue Knob so far in comparison to other resorts?
Longer slopes.
Yeah.
Nice. Longer beginners, intermediate slopes are a little longer than whitetail for sure.
Yeah. In fact, they switch back and aren't just straight down.
Yeah. And it's not too intimidating as far as steepness.
And we're gonna cut to some clips of both of them right now.
Yeah.
So. So, updates for Blue Knob this season. They paved the drive on the way up. It's one of those resorts that has the lodge at the top, so you just come out and ski down. It used to be a gravel for about that last mile or so, but now it's 2.5 miles of asphalt to get up, so that's super pleasant.
Potholes going too.
Yeah, so potholes, rims will be saved now. A few of the pylons, they painted those red.
I didn't even notice. What were they, green?
Hey Rick, they painted the pylons red.
Nice.
Some of them are
I thought
still
they were
blue.
black. What?
Some of them are still blue.
Yeah.
You know, the whole Blue Knob thing.
Gotcha. And they still have really cool employees.
Yes.
People that work here, man, just...
Do not undermine the vibe at Blue Knob. That is
Yeah.
something to consider when coming here. From the vibe of the lodge to the lifties. You know?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, and then just in terms of how unique Blue Knob is, we've been here quite a few times before, and it has ranged greatly. From your standard ice coast to some of the best snow Kess and I have ever had.
Powder days.
Powder days, going through trees, glade runs galore, and then Rick,
Backcountry.
yeah. Rick, what was the temperature the one day we came out that was a little bit chilly?
Oh, it was negative 27 degrees.
Negative 27,
Yeah,
folks.
pretty wicked.
That was real.
Yep.
And what do you say, the backcountry one?
Yeah, backcountry stuff. Super fun. It's unique.
Yeah.
Mhm.
You can check out our video from last season if you want to see some of that backcountry stuff. Woo!
I didn't see that one coming.
Thank you, friend.
Thanks, friend.
Thank you, friend. Yeah.